Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for a little pop of color for your home decor, then I want to show you these beautiful wall panels from SERIMINO. I absolutely love this set of three. This is sort of a Nordic boho style. I love the terracotta color with the blue and the pink and coral. It's so pretty and the colors are so vibrant. So this is a set of three, which I absolutely love because you can put them together like this in sort of a mural design, or you can break them up and put them in different places and still have that color theme running throughout your home. These are 16 by 24 inches. You can get their pieces in a variety of sizes, so you just want to find what works for you. They also have a lot of different colors and styles to choose from as well. These come already framed, so they are ready to hang right out of the box. They come with everything you need to hang them on the wall, and the frame is made of a PVC. It's a simple black design, so it goes with everything, and the top is a tempered glass, so these are very durable and definitely not going to break easily. So I am so pleased with these beautiful pieces of abstract art. I think that they make my guest room look so cozy and inviting. I love the warm colors, and I think the designs are just so beautiful. So if you are looking for that perfect piece to bring a little color and a little bit of life to your space, I would definitely check out these from SERIMINO. I am very, very pleased with them, and that is my point of view.